a little bit windy today. Deer dead ahead of me. Two deer. Still looking at me, right there. That's why you come out early, folks. So, I clocked that deer about 30 seconds ago. It ran across this path, jumped over this fence and went up that way. So I got the camera out, zoomed it as far as the GoPro was zooming. Hopefully you saw some of that footage and you saw the deer. What a treat. What a treat. What's that? That's the sort of things though that you get to see when you come out bright and early. Because they're really active at the sort of first light, beginning of the day. I mean, you will see them throughout the day as well, but every time I've had a good sign of a deer, it's always been at first light. Brilliant. Turn that into some tent pegs shortly. Hi campers, hope you're doing well. So I'm just out for a bimble this morning. It's Friday, I've got a day off work, so I thought I'd get up early, go out for a wander and cook myself up a nice bit of breakfast too. But it's a beautiful sunny day. The sun's only just risen over the horizon, it's still quite early, and hopefully you've seen earlier saw a nice couple of deer running around the woods. That was really cool, real treat to see that. And yeah, just going to head up to a new spot now, and cool, have a look at that. Beautiful. Like I said, it's a glorious day today. Really nice. But yeah, I'm going to head up to a new spot. I've not, I've recce'd previously, but I want to sort of stop there, put my tarp up, and have a brew and some breakfast. And I'll obviously bring you along. Just cut a piece of hazel, I think this is. It might be chestnut. It was on the ground. Forestry people have been doing some cutting recently by the looks of it. And I'm going to make some pegs out of this for my tarp. And yeah, have a little play with my little Swiss Army knife today. That's the plan. Yeah, looks like it'll be a nice day. So I'll bring you along. we go then, folks. It's a relatively young silver birch woodland, this, I think. Just in amongst the chestnut coppice. On top of a hill here, and quite a strong sort of gust blowing through the woodland today, but no widowmakers here, and because it's quite a young birch wood, I feel like it's quite resilient to the wind here. So I'm going to put the tarp up. I'll bring you along. Tarp in here somewhere. There we go. Got the Alpkit Rig 3.5 tarp today. Get the ridge line up first. I brought pegs with me, but I thought I'd make some. Happy days. So weird. Quite like this tarp. Feels really nice quality. Plenty of space under it. I think it's going to get quite a lot of use, this one. Just gathered some sticks behind the camera there that you can't see. I've got the firebox with me. So I'm going to get a fire going in a minute, get a brew on, and I'll bring you along for that. But I don't know if you can hear that wind in the background, but it's certainly getting up a bit every now and again. I think the forecast was saying that it's gusting up to about 30 miles an hour today. So you've got to keep your wits about you in the woods. But that's the reason why I've come to this sort of young birch woodland. I feel it's relatively safe here. Yeah, all good. Definitely feel like this could be a nice camping spot though. I like it here. Really tucked out of the way. Got relatively nice views. You're on top of a hill. Yeah, I like it. Check out that view as well. Got the sun creeping through the trees there. So I'm going to cheat today, folks. I'm going to use a bit of cotton wool with Vaseline impregnated into it. Just pop that in there. Gathered all my sticks here ready for the fire. it. Cheers, folks. Time for brekkie. So this was a bit of a breakfast skillet. Bacon, mushroom, beans and egg. Lovely jubbly. Just got another tea on the go. That breakfast was fabulous. Really nice. Enjoyed that. Probably looked a bit of a mess on camera, but it tasted amazing. Just letting that fire burn out now. I have this cup of tea, and then I think I shall get camp packed up and be on my way. Lovely job. What a lovely day to be out though. It is absolutely glorious. It's gone from being around sort of sub-zero temperatures last week to this week it's like 9-10 degrees. It's practically a heat wave. Really liking this spot though. It's got a nice feel about it. It's a nice flat area. It's not well out of the way of any walkers and whatnot. And tons and tons of firewood. The only thing I'm going to have to be a little bit careful is the ground here is a little bit soft and loamy. So if you have a fire on the ground here, there is a risk that it could have an underground fire and travel. So when I come to this spot, I shall probably always take my fire bowl or a twig stove or something to keep the fire up off the ground, keep it safe. But yeah, I'm liking it. I thought it'd be a lot windier up here. Because you're on top of a hill, you're quite exposed to the elements, especially at this time of year with no leaves on the trees. I thought it would be a lot windier, but no, it's absolutely fine. Lovely jubbly. You know how you always see walking into a tree there. You know how you always see them Instagram pictures of people having all these tidy flat lays and everything looks really nice and neat and everything. The reality is quite different, I think, because there's me, kit scattered everywhere like an absolute mess, and that's perfectly normal. Such is life. There we go, folks. All loaded up. Helikon Tex Bergen. Loving that day, Zach. Really nice. Got my rubbish packed away, which is only an empty tin of beans, and all good to go. Hi campers. So I just thought I'd bid you farewell now. I'm on the trail back to where I parked my car. Got about a mile or so to go. And what a lovely day for a walk. Really enjoyed this one. Enjoyed breakfast. Enjoyed spending a little bit of time at that new spot as well. Definitely going back there for a camp. Maybe in the next couple of months or so. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, I think. We'll see how it comes out. And let me know what you think. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye for now.